Hi friends, this is Jaya and welcoming you all once again to my YouTube channel, which is Aradhya Situ Family Channel. This is a very friendly channel where you find videos related to everything and anything. This is random video channel. I review products which I buy online or offline. This is educational channel too because I am preparing various competitive examinations, so I share my educational videos too. And basically I am a teacher, so related to education's videos also will be there, and videos related to cleaning, organization, because I am a mom too. So there's a lots many more. Please stay tuned for my latest videos and please support me, shower your love, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. According to GIC syllabus, we have completed yet Geoffrey Chaucer, William Shakespeare, John Milton, John Dryden, Alexander Pope, William Wordsworth, P.B. Shelley, John Keats, Alfred Lord Tennyson, Matthew Arnold, Charles Dickens, Thomas Hardy, W.B. Yeats, T.S. Eliot, George Bernard Shaw, George Orwell, Raja Rao, Mulk Raj Anand, Nizam, Robert Frost, Ernest Hemingway, Harold Pinte, Rabindranath Tagore, Girish Karnad, V.S. Naipaul. In Greek terms, we have read Renaissance, Reformation, metaphysical poetry, classicism, romanticism, the pre-Raphaelites. Today we will study about modern literature. Modernism, English literature. Modernism, new ideas start emerging, start questioning. It replaces the old traditions, past orientations with revolutionary activities such as doubt, inquiry, individualism and future orientation. Modernism is a period or movement, an international movement in European, American and world art, literature and culture. The era characterized by industrialization, rapid social change and advances in science and the social sciences, which is called Freudian theory. Modernism in literature began late 19th and early 20th century. Earlier writers focusing on natural things in their writings. Here writers start writing for changing world and ideas. Characteristics: first, stream of consciousness, Freud's theories about unconscious mind. Second, the lost generation, Gertrude Stein quoted the mechanic. Third, new paradigms, massive explosion, scientific innovation. Modernist writers: Samuel Beckett, James Joyce, Joseph Conrad, T.S. Eliot, William Faulkner, Virginia Woolf, D.H. Lawrence. Two specific works: Faulkner's As I Lay Dying and Virginia Woolf's Mrs. Dowley. Time period: approximately 1890 to 1950. Some poets started before 1890 in the post-Romantic period. Some poets continued writing major works after World War II, focused in Europe and North America. Major characteristics: purposeful shift away from traditional styles, includes techniques such as stream of consciousness, interior monologue, writing in multiple points of view, reflected the need for greater psychological realism, especially during the world wars. T.S. Eliot said that modernist literature is a way of controlling, of ordering, of giving a shape and a significance to the immense panorama of futility and anarchy which is contemporary history. Instead of narrative methods, we may now use the mythical method. It is, as I seriously believe, a step towards making the modern world possible for art. Review of Ulysses by James Joyce. So what does that even mean? Gives order to an ever-changing world at the start of the 20th century, acknowledges that world politics are not working, criticizes the ubiquity of Western culture and acknowledges its decay and fragmentation as anarchy and war changed the world at that time. Using words as parts of a speech, that they aren't nouns as adjectives, verbs as nouns, etc. Reworking traditional forms like sonnets, using disjointed structure to reflect the dysfunction of Western society, addressing inner thoughts of regular people. Major artists: Pablo Picasso, Henri Matisse, and other Cubist artists embraced minimalism, celebrated the power of simplicity. Major authors: Virginia Woolf, pictured here, and Joseph Conrad, William Faulkner, and many more, explored the inner mind of man Major poets Ezra Pound, E. E. Cummings, T. S. Eliot, Robert Frost, critics of Western culture, used words and traditional forms in new ways. So friend, in this video we find what is modernism, how it works in our culture of literature. Friends, if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe the channel, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, be happy, stay blessed, take care, bye bye.